Hi there. I'm going to be doing a review on the CLYW Avalanche. My first impressions of this yo-yo was that, wow, I was just amazed. Like, the shape is perfect, the color is awesome, the weight is great, finish is pretty nice. So at first I was like, wow, this yo-yo is going to be awesome. I just wanted to mention that really quick. And yeah, let's get on with the review. This yo-yo, again, I do not have a computer right here with me, and I do not know the specs. But I'll try to remember the specs. I think this yo-yo weighs in at about 67 grams. The diameter is about probably 56 millimeters, I believe. Width is 43 millimeters. H shape. And C-size bearing, and it comes with flowable silicone. So yeah, and I have the Bushman edition, which is, I believe, red acid wash, tan speckle, and blue speckle. So yeah, this yo-yo is extremely stable, very stable with Eli hops and long combos. It will not tilt at all. It will sleep forever. Well, obviously not forever, but you know what I mean. Sleeps for a very long time. I've got it to sleep for like 4 minutes with a either center track or a 10 ball, 1-drop 10 ball. Right now I have a 1-drop 10 ball in it. It works very well in this yo-yo. And yeah, let's crack it open. Okay, as you can see, it comes with flowable silicone. Works pretty well. Mine's wearing out though, has some cracks in it. I have a 1-drop 10 ball in there right now, but it comes with a CLYW bearing, the normal bearing. It comes with a normal sized CLYW axle. Nothing special. And it about. And the insides. Screw this back together. This yo-yo has a very nice H shape. It's very comfortable in the hand. Has a pretty large catch zone. Yes, I really like how this yo-yo plays. It's not too floaty. It's pretty. It has a nice mix of floatiness and solidness. That's what I like about this. It's just a fantastic yo-yo. I think this and the Peak are CLYW's best yo-yos. The Peak and the Avalanche are just about the same, I think. They're just fantastic yo-yos. I believe this yo-yo was $130 because this is the Bushman edition, but the normal Avalanche, normal colorways, is about $115 USD. Yes, very great buy. I believe it's worth the money. It performs just as well as any other CLYW. If you've played the Woolly Marmot or have a Woolly Marmot, I'll compare it to that. The Avalanche is much bigger in diameter than the Woolly Marmot. The Avalanche is also much wider than the Woolly Marmot. Plays much, well, in my opinion, it's a way better yo-yo than the Woolly Marmot. The Woolly Marmot definitely plays faster, but the Avalanche isn't too far behind. The Avalanche can play slow, but you can also get it to move around on the string pretty well, if you want, if that's what you're into. It does not have a spike for Matadors, but that's alright because I do not do Matadors. The William Marmot does. I don't do Matadors. It has an alright thumb grinding lip. Not that great. I don't thumb grind, so I really don't care. It's great for grinds. Grinds on your finger forever. Finish. It's a nice bead blast. Carolodge's finish. Compared to the Raptor. Avalanche is a bit bigger in diameter. It's also quite a bit wider. The Avalanche